Hi, my name's Lorraine Murray and I'm the founder of a programme called Connected Kids, which helps people like you teach their kids meditation and mindfulness, and we teach this worldwide. However, this video is about why you shouldn't teach children meditation. And the first point I want to make about that, which seems rather controversial given what I do, why would I tell you not to teach children meditation? Well, I'd ask you not to teach children meditation if you think it's a way to fix your children or to control your children. Sometimes I have people in class who turn up who think that meditation is about controlling or fixing and to create a certain outcome or result or response from the children. And the whole point about meditation is that it's a very personal journey and it's a very healing journey for anyone who chooses to practice. And that's an important word there. The word is choice. So, of course, yes, we can get children to sit still and close their eyes, but that isn't meditation. That's simply asking children to sit still and close their eyes. And that can actually cause more stress if you force them to do that. So, what we try to do in our course is to educate people and to inform them and help them understand that this isn't about fixing children. This is about meeting them where they're at. And it's one of the reasons that our programme works particularly well with children with special educational needs, because those situations can be very challenging. And we also work with trauma as well for the very same reasons. We meet children where they're at, bringing in meditation and mindfulness skills that help them with who they are in this moment. There's no fixing, there's no magic wand, and the magic wand, if there is one, is you, if you learn to teach that way. The other point about teaching children meditation and why you shouldn't do it is if you think it's a way to make money. And I run two levels of this program. One is a foundation level and the other is a professional level. The foundation level is for anyone who wants to teach their own children meditation. So that's got nothing to do with running a business or earning money. But the professional stage is about creating a sustainable business that means that on a full-time basis you are out there teaching children and teens how to meditate and to be mindful. So why did I say that you shouldn't make money out of this? Well, if that's your main driver, if that's your main motivator to do this, then no, this isn't the right course for you. Absolutely, do we want our tutors and the professional people we teach to be successful? Of course, because if you're successful, you'll do it all the time. And if you do it all the time, all these children are going to learn meditation from you, which is what we are all about. But what we teach our tutors is to balance that sustainability, that success, with a compassionate heart. And it's really important that we come from this place of having a compassionate heart when we're teaching. If all we're about is running programs and filling them up and squeezing in kids and not necessarily taking a more compassionate, heartful approach to this, then that's not what we teach on this course. And we have never taught that on this course. If you're looking for a program that is all about just handing you scripts and handing you a structure and basically saying just do this, then no, this isn't a course for you either. And the way that we teach people to teach meditation. What we're really about on the Connected Kids program is showing you the great potential that you have within you to create an internal script for meditation or a program or a lesson plan that has to be bespoke for the child or the group of children that you're teaching. And at first that seems a bit harder, doesn't it? It doesn't seem as easy as someone like me, Lorraine Murray, with all this experience, just saying, in this situation do this, in this situation do that. Of course I can give you that advice. Of course I can signpost you to that because I know how these things work. However, what really makes a great meditation teacher for kids and teens is someone who, when they are presented with a situation with a young person, is able to tap into the intuitive, compassionate heart and to pull from their meditation tool bag the style of meditation or the mindful activity that really meets the needs of that child in that moment. And that's what we teach on this program, and that's what we're really about. And then the final thing to say about if you're thinking about teaching children meditation and why we think you shouldn't, is that if you're coming to this with an attitude of, I'm going to learn to do this and teach kids, but I'm not going to practice, I haven't got time to practice, then unfortunately this is not the course for you either. We do not ask people to have lots of experience. And sometimes a lot of experience can seem like an advantage when it's not, because we come with very fixed ideas of how meditation should be. And children's meditation is definitely not just a condensed form of adult meditation. However, if you're coming to this thinking, I'm going to learn this and I'm going to administer it in some way to my children and I don't need to practice it, then this isn't the course for you either. Because really great results and outcomes from teaching children meditation is when you actually practice it. And if you can apply that mindful approach to when you're teaching children meditation, not using a structure that restricts you, not getting caught up in your mind of how you think they should behave and respond. If you can actually practice yourself, you become a much nicer, easier, kinder person to be around, and your children will feel that too. So it's really important that we embody what it is that we're asking our children to learn. So if you want to learn to teach children meditation in the way that we want you to take this into your lives, then you have to practice it, and it will be of great benefit to you as well as them. If you have any questions about this, if you're reading and watching this video on our Facebook or social media, please put a comment. I'm open to hear what you have to say, or you're watching it on YouTube, put a comment there as well. If you disagree, that's okay. We completely accept that everyone has a different opinion, but from our experience, in the long time we've been teaching this, it certainly feels to us the most authentic, heart-centered, compassionate way to help our children wake up to these amazing skills that they have to help them navigate the stress, the anxiety of life that they face. Thank you for listening and have a great day.